teddy bear. First, draw an oval head. Black. Gorgeous! Now, draw its little muzzle. Good! Add a smiling mouth. Red! Excellent! Now draw the bear's ears. Good job! Your teddy bear looks beautiful. Now draw the teddy bear's body and round belly. Wonderful! Also draw the two front paws. What a funny little teddy bear! Now add the back paws. You've drawn an amazing teddy bear. Watch your bear frolic and eat berries.